You are here, you clicked on this because you want to learn the best kept secret side hustle for right now. Number 1, start a YouTube channel. You probably heard of it from everywhere. YouTube is the best platform on the planet when it comes to video. And it also helps that it is part of the alphabet companies, Google, which is a search engine, aka YouTube, video search engine. There are more people coming online every single year. Billions of people watch YouTube per month. So YouTube is a great place to start. You're probably thinking, there's a lot of competition, someone else already done it, but someone else isn't you. Someone is not gonna put their spin on it the way you may do it. So, YouTube, I highly recommend you get started on YouTube. It's a great platform. And plus, others are competing and trying to be YouTube, but YouTube's already here and established. And it pays their creators very well once you are established with your 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 watch hours. Not every niche is paid equally though, but it's still paid much better compared to the other social media platforms. We live in a gig economy. It is fast, it is moving. The second side hustle you can do is freelance your services. If you're someone who knows how to edit, do resumes, write, whatever case may be, there's websites out there where you can advertise your freelance services and folks will pay you. Believe it or not though, LinkedIn is an underrated social media website that not a lot of people are going on, but you can find a lot of high paying clients there. So if you're someone who have a resume business or an editing business, quite frankly, any kind of business, I highly recommend you go onto LinkedIn. 3, buy Amazon returns and resell them on places like Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist. They are people making a pretty good living doing exactly that. Just buying these big bins of returns. You don't know what you're gonna get, but you can find really good things that you can then make the money back that you invested into buying that. Let me know down below if you want to learn more about that and I'll make a more thorough video. All right, 4, become a social media virtual assistant. As you guys are aware, everyone has some form of social media brand at this moment, from TikTok influencers, Instagram influencers, YouTube influencers, bloggers, so many different folks. And they are looking for help when it comes to managing their schedules, managing their content, helping them come up with different ideas of videos or shoots or whatever the case may be. So folks are looking for social media VAs right now. A quick tidbit on how you can become one and how you can find clients is to position yourself there. If you're really interested in one particular client or influencer, their biggest viewership is on TikTok. Go in their comments, send them a DM. Make sure your stuff is correct. So already have your portfolios of past clients that you helped with metrics on how you increase their presence or, convert things for them or increase sales, whatever the case may be, but have your numbers ready once the opportunity presents itself. Because you don't want the opportunity to present itself and then you're like, yeah, I'm really good at this. And it's like, okay, that's great, but what else? So make sure you have your portfolio on your metrics on what you've done in the past so you can be professional and look like a serious candidate. That is a legit career field and folks are doing very, very well as social media virtual assistant. Number 5, become a user-generated content creator. It's a new thing. You probably have seen it on both Instagram and TikTok where you see just a regular person advertising something and they're like showing it and letting you know what it's all about and stuff like that, spraying it. But that's called user-generated content. Folks are making thousands of dollars per year doing that. It's a great side hustle if you're into beauty niches and if you don't mind being on camera and you like that kind of stuff. And the best part, you do not need thousands and millions upon millions of followers, okay? Because the way it works, you just model things at your house or things that you may like, and then you create a portfolio. And Canva has great outlines on how you can make those portfolios for user generated content. So the way you do it is you create your portfolio and you start reaching out to brands, or you just create TikTok or Instagram, or you post up your own stuff and brands will find you. So there are plenty of like influencers who are doing $7,000 to $10,000 months just with user generated content products. So I think it's worth a look. Told you guys that you did not want to miss this video because these side hustles are going to be hot. They're not just going to be the regular ones. I'm telling you about all the ones that no one is talking about right now. No one. Okay. This one blew my mind when I saw it, okay? I think we're on number 6, right? Make money with Chat GPT. You're probably like, Belle, what is that? Okay. I'm just gonna give you guys a basic outline of it. If you want more information, there's plenty of videos already out there in the space of YouTube and everywhere else talking about Chat GPT. It's an optimizing language models for dialogue. It's an open AI that answers questions. You input your questions on it and it feeds you back answers. It's insane. There are states that are banning this in schools because it's giving answers to students like, what is the meaning of life, or why is the Mona Lisa so famous, and etc, etc. Point is, Chat GPT is changing the game and is fine-tuned with both supervised and reinforcement learning techniques. So the more you feed into it, the smarter it gets. It's a little scary stuff, but there's ways to make money with it. You guys should go out there and play with it. Just sign up. Sign up is free, and just go and play with it. Input, what kind of side hustles should I be doing right now? What's the best ways to make money this year? How can I become rich right now? Ask the chatbot those kind of questions. Let me know down below what some of your answers that you get, because it's mind blowing. So okay, moving on. And my last one that I have, like, because all of these were pretty amazing, honestly. Tell me down below that they wasn't. You guys know they were all pretty amazing because I feel like I just gave you guys everything I had in my brain. Just kidding. So the last side hustle we're going to talk about today is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is amazing, okay? So what is affiliate marketing? You're probably saying, like, Belle, what is affiliate marketing? If you're not familiarized with what affiliate marketing is, a good example is the links in my description right now. So currently there's a few links in my description. So if you click on one of those links and you happen to make a purchase at Amazon, Amazon gives me a small commission for leading you to Amazon. That is what affiliate marketing is, as simple as it gets. And it's a great way to make thousands of dollars per month. But the way you make thousands of dollars per month, like anything in life, is with traffic. A lot of folks are getting started with affiliate marketing on their blogs, on their YouTube channels, on their TikTok, Instagram bios, pretty much everywhere. So a quick way to get started with affiliate marketing if you're completely brand new, the way I would do it is start a Pinterest. So you start a Pinterest, you optimize your Pinterest headline and title, and afterwards you create different pins or short form videos, and within that you link the length of those things that's in your video. So whether, let's say, you are showing off this Sony camera right here, right? You are playing with it just like a user generated content. You can take one of those videos. Just gave you guys a 2-for-1 right there. So you take that content, you write a description. This Sony camera is absolutely amazing. These are the kind of pictures that it takes. And then folks will be like, oh my gosh, I was looking for a Sony. Where is the link? And you won't have the link in the description if it's allowed. Or you would have the link on the actual video so people can manually type it in, because folks like to get straight to the source. So that is all I have for you guys in this video. I was super excited to make this video because there are so many different side hustles we can start working on that is insane. From open AI to affiliate marketing to starting a YouTube channel, selling on different marketplaces such as Facebook and Craigslist, or becoming a social media virtual assistant. The side hustles and ways to make money now is absolutely endless. So this year is your year to just conquer your fears when it comes to making extra money and paying down the debts and saving and getting to those savings dreams that we all have. So I'm really excited with what you guys are gonna do with this. So comment below which side hustle you're gonna get started with this year. And if you haven't already, be sure to do that right now. And don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up for me to let YouTube know that you like what it is that I'm doing here.